Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you are having some flickering on your screen when you're using the Chromecast with Google TV. Now this could be a relatively easy fix. So just on the home screen here, let's go on over to Settings and select this. Now let's go to Display and Sound and then go to the right. Then go to Resolution. Now you can see all the different resolutions on here, and then we have 60 Hz, 50 Hz, 30 Hz, 25, and 24. At 4K. Simply try a different hertz. So if we're at 60 Hz right now, drop it down to 50, 30, 25, or even 24, and just see if that fixes the screen flickering on your TV. It could be easy as that. So here are all the different resolutions on my TV. I have 1080p at 24 Hz, 50, and 60. So just look through this different menu. Then also, after changing that, we can go to Match Content Frame Rate, and then we can change it from Seamless, and then select Never. Even if the app requests it, your device will never try to match its output to the original frame rate of the content you're watching. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.